See students, today we shall start one interesting chapter of geometry, that is coordinate geometry. This is a scoring chapter. You can get full marks for the questions which are asked from this chapter. Okay. Now let us start without wasting any time. See, first thing, suppose here one point is there, point P, x1, y1, and here one more point is there, point Q, x2, y1. So coordinates of point P are x1, y1 and coordinates of point Q are x2, y2. What will be the distance between these two points? ये दोनों points के बीच में distance कितना है? We have to apply distance formula. We can write here like this: distance between the points PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So remember this formula, बहुत simple formula है. Distance between points PQ is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now based on this formula, we shall start. Based on this formula, we shall start practice set 5.1. See, our question is find the distance between each of the following points. See, point A is given how much? 2, 3. Let it be equal to x1, y1, and point B. Point B is given 4, 1. Let it be equal to x2, y2. Now we have to write here by distance formula. Distance between AB is given by under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. See what we have done here? We have assumed the coordinates of this point 2, 3 as x1, y1. So 2 is x1, 3 is y1, 4 is x2 and 1 is y2. Now by distance formula, distance between AB is given by under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now we shall do substitution under root x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 2. We shall write here 4 minus 2 square. Y2 minus y1 means 1 minus 3 whole square. Now what is 4 minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2 square. And what is 1 minus 3? 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. What is square of minus 2? Square of minus 2 is also plus 4. So what is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. So we are getting distance AB is equal to 2 root 2. Simple sum, right? Now take second sum. Second sum is P minus 5, 7. See, coordinate of P is minus 5, 7. Coordinate of Q is minus 1, 3. Here x1 is minus 5, y1 is 7. Here x2 is minus 1 and y2 is 3. Now again we shall write here by distance formula. What is our distance formula? By distance formula, PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now see, you may be having some doubt here. Where to take x1, where to take y1? See, the coordinate of P here we have taken x1, y1, and the coordinates of Q we have taken as x2, y2. See, if you want, we can take x1, y1 as minus 1, 3 and x2, y2 as minus 5, 7. It doesn't make any difference. This same formula also, instead of writing x2 minus x1, if I am writing x1 minus x2, and y1 minus y2, again it doesn't make any difference, you will get the same answer. Okay, we get equal to under root x2 minus x1 square. x2 minus x1 square means minus 1 minus minus 5. See, minus 1 minus minus 5 square. So we shall put one square bracket here. Minus 1 minus small bracket I have taken minus 5 plus y2 minus y1 is 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 का square. It is equal to under root minus 1 minus minus 5 means this will become minus 1 plus 5, and here we get 3 minus 7 means minus 4 का square. What is minus 1 plus 5? 5 minus 1 is how much? 4. So here I am getting 4 square plus minus 4 square. It is equal to how much? Under root 16. See, minus 4 square is also plus 16. Square of minus sign means it is becoming plus. So 4 square means 16 plus again 16. So how much we get here? We get here root 32. Root 32 can be written as 4 root 2. Our answer here is 4 root 2. Now take problem set 5.1 third sum. Here also 2 points are given. Point R is 0, minus 3 and point S is 0, 5 upon 2. Here we shall take x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to minus 3. Here we shall take x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 5 upon 2. Now here we have to write down by distance formula. Rs is equal to under root. What is our distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 का square. Now next step, substitute. x2 minus x1 means 0 minus 0 का square. y2 minus y1 means 5 upon 2 minus minus 3 square. What is that? x2 minus x1 means 0 minus 0 square plus y2 minus y1 means 5 upon 2 minus minus 3. See, यहाँ पर 2 बार minus आ रहा है. Next step, I shall open this bracket. Now see, this will become 0 minus 0 means this will become 0 square plus here I shall write down 5 upon 2 minus minus plus 3 square. What is 5 upon 2 plus 3? I shall write here 0 plus here 3 to the 6, 5, 11 upon 2 square. It is equal to under root 11 upon 2 square. What is square root of square? This square and square root will get cancelled. Our answer will get Rs is equal to, take our fourth sum. We are doing problem set 5.1. Question number 1 में fourth sum. Question number 1 में fourth sum we are doing. Now here see, our question is to find the distance between the points L and M. Coordinates of L are given 5, minus 8 and M. Coordinates of M are given minus 7, minus 3. Here we shall take x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to minus 8, x2 is equal to minus 7, y2 is equal to minus 3. Now, by distance formula, what is LM equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 का square. It is equal to, what is x2 minus x1? Minus 7 minus 5. What is y2 minus y1? minus 3 minus minus 8. See, minus 8, minus of minus 8, so I am making use of small bracket here. It is equal to under root minus 7 minus 5 means minus 12 square plus minus 3 minus minus 8. This will become minus 3. Okay, minus 3 minus minus 8. So it will become minus 3 minus of minus 8 will become plus 8 the whole square. It is equal to under root. What is square of minus 12? Square of minus is becoming plus. So square of minus 12 will become 144 plus 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So here I shall write down plus 5 square. It is equal to under root 144 plus 25. It is equal to under root 169. What is square root of 169? We get LM is equal to 30. Now take our fifth sum. See, coordinates of t are given minus 3 comma 6 and coordinates of r 9 comma minus 10. Here we shall write down first x1 is equal to minus 3, y1 is equal to 6, again x2 is equal to 9, y2 is minus 10. Therefore, by distance formula, the distance tr is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. It is equal to under root x2 minus x1 means 9 minus minus 3 का square plus y2 minus y1 means minus 10 minus 6 का square. See, 9 minus minus 3, I am making use of the small bracket here, and minus 10 minus 6, directly I am writing. Now next step, see, you have to be very careful in this type of sums. Sum is simple, लेकिन साइड में मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए. माइनस की जगह प्लस, प्लस की जगह माइनस हो गया तो पूरा सम रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. 9 minus minus 3 means this will become 9 plus 3 square. Minus 10 minus 6 means this will become minus 16 square. It is equal to under root 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is how much? 12. So here I shall write down 12 square plus minus 16 square. Minus का स्क्वायर होता है प्लस 16 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 256. It is equal to under root 12 square is how much? 144 plus 256. What is 144 plus 256? 2, 3, 400 I think so. What is square root of 400? Square root of 400 is 20. So we are getting TR is equal to we get TR is equal to 20 in this sum. Now take next sum. See, coordinates are given W minus 7 upon 2 comma 4 and X 11 comma 4. Now here what is X1? X1 is minus 7 upon 2, Y1 is 4, X2 is 11 and Y2 is 4. Now again by distance formula, now tell me what is distance formula? Wx will be equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. It is equal to, now see, x2 minus x1 means 11 minus minus 7 upon 2. Put it in the square bracket square. Correct? 11 minus minus 7 upon 2 का square, and y2 minus y1 will become 4 minus 4 का square. Now what will happen? Next step, under root 11 minus minus, this will become 11 plus 7 upon 2 का square. 4 minus 4 will become 0. Now what is 11 plus 7 upon 2? 11 2s are 22 plus 7, 29 upon 2. So here I shall write down directly 29 upon 2 का square. Square root of 29 upon 2. Square root and square will get cancelled. This square root and square will get cancelled. And what is left here? It is equal to 29 upon 2. 29 upon 2 means 14.5. So Wx is equal to 14.5. So we have finished our first sum.
Next you take question number 2, first sum. See, 3 points are given, A, B, C. Coordinates of 3 points are given. Our question is to find whether the 3 points are collinear. Here we shall do one thing by distance formula. We get AB is equal to under root, see 2 minus 1 square plus minus 5 minus 3 square. It is equal to under root 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus minus 5 plus 3 square. It is equal to under root 1 plus minus 2 square. It is equal to under root 1 plus 4, that is equal to root 5. Again we shall find AC. AC is equal to under root, see here AC equal to under root minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 square plus 7 minus minus 3. minus minus 3 का square. It is equal to under root minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 square plus 7 plus 3 square. It is equal to under root 25 plus 10 square. It is equal to under root 25 plus 100. It is equal to root of 125. Root of 125 is equal to how much? Root of 125 is 25 into 5 means 5 root 5 we get here. So we found AB, we found AC. Now we shall find what is the value of BC. BC is equal to under root, see here BC equal to under root minus 4 minus 2 square, minus 4 minus 2 square plus 7 minus minus 5 square, 7 minus minus 5 square. It is equal to under root minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 square plus 7 minus minus 5 is 7 plus 5 square. It is equal to under root minus 6 square is how much? 36. 7 plus 5 is how much? Plus 12 square. It is equal to under root 36 plus 144. It is equal to under root 144 plus 36, 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1, 15, 3, 18. Root 180. Root 180 means 25. Root 180, what are the factors? 10 into 18, 6 into 30 or 36 into 5. This we can write as 6 root 5. Now here see, this is root 5, This is 5 root 5, this is 6 root 5. Therefore, we get here root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to 6 root 5. What is root 5? Root 5 is nothing but AB plus what is 5 root 5? 5 root 5 is AC. It is equal to BC. Therefore, the points A, B, C are collinear. सिंपल सम है. हाँ, सी प्रैक्टिस एट 5.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में सेकंड सम. सी 3 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन. आवर क्वेश्चन इज टू फाइंड वेदर दे आर collinear or not. First, by distance formula we shall find LM, then we shall find MN and then LN. If sum of two sides is not equal to third side, then the points are non-collinear. Say first LM. LM is by distance formula 1 minus 2 square plus minus 3 square. 1 minus 2 means 1 plus 2 का square plus minus 6 square or 3 square plus minus 6 square. 3 square is 9, minus 6 square is plus 36. 36 plus 9 is root 45, that is 3 root 5. In the same way, Mn. Mn is under root 5 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. 5 minus 1 is 4 square plus 4 minus 3 means 4 plus 3 square. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. 4 square is 16, 7 square is 49. 16 plus 49 is root 65. Now we shall find Ln. See in Ln 5 minus 2 square plus 4 minus 3 square. 5 minus 2 is how much? 5 plus 2 square. 5 plus 2 square means 7 square, which is 49. 1 square, it is 1. 49 plus 1 is root 50, which is 5 root 2. Now what is Lm plus Ln? Say smaller two sides are root 45, root 50 and larger side is root 65. So root 45 plus root 50 means 3 root 5 plus 5 root 2. Lm plus Ln is 3 root 5 plus 5 root 2, which is not equal to root 65. If we are adding, we are not getting root 65. So it is not equal to Mn. Therefore, the points L, M, N are non-collinear. Simple sum है. Next sum, fourth sum you take. Find the point on x axis which is equidistant from a minus 3 comma 4 and b 1 comma minus 4. So on x axis there is a point and its a distance from point A and point B is equal. Let P be the point. Now see, this point P lies on x axis. Therefore its x y coordinate will be 0. See, any point you take on x axis के ऊपर अगर कोई भी अगर point लिया हमने, x axis है, x axis के ऊपर कोई भी point लिया हमने, तो उसका y coordinate क्या रहेगा? Y coordinate will be 0. So any point you take on x axis, y coordinate will be 0. So let our point be P x comma 0. Now see, as our point is equidistant from A and B, we are having PA is equal to PB. As our points are equidistant from A and B, we are having PA is equal to PB. Now by distance formula, what is PA equal to? See, point P is x comma 0. So x minus x1 means x minus 3 का square plus 0 minus 4 का square. What will be PB equal to? X minus 1 का square plus 0 minus 4 का square. So x minus 3 means x plus 3 square. 0 minus 4 means plus minus 4 square. It is equal to 1 root x minus 1 square plus 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 means 0 plus 4 का square. Now what we shall do here? We shall square both the sides. If we square both the sides, this root sign will go away. What is left now? X plus 3 whole square plus minus 4 square is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 4 square. Now x plus 3 whole square is x square plus 6x plus 9 minus 4 square is plus 16. X minus 1 square is x square minus 2x plus 1 and 4 square is 16. So x square will get cancelled both the sides. 16 will get cancelled. We get 6x plus 9 is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Bring minus 2x to left side, it will become 6x minus plus 2x. It is equal to 1. 9 going to right side, it becomes minus 9. So 6x plus 2x is 8x equal to minus 8. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. 8x is minus 8 means x will be equal to minus 1. So our point P is now becoming 1, 0. Therefore, point P 1, 0 is equidistant from points A and B. Exercise 5.1 fourth sum you take. See, 3 points are given here P, Q, R. Our question is to show these 3 points are vertices of a right angle triangle. First thing what we shall do here, by distance formula we shall find PQ, then we shall find PR and then QR. Now by distance formula what is PQ we are getting 2 minus 2 square plus 2 minus 2 ka square. 2 minus 2 will become 2 plus 2 ka square plus 2 minus 2 will become 0 square or 4 square plus 0 that is equal to root 16 that is 4. So we got PQ is equal to 4. Now we shall find PR. See here PR. PR के लिए 2 minus 2 square plus 7 minus 2 square. 2 minus 2 means it will become 2 plus 2 square. 7 minus 2 square will become 5 square. That is root of 4 square plus 25. That is root of 16 plus 25. That is root of 41. In the same way, we shall find what is the value of QR. We get QR is equal to 2 minus 2 square plus 7 minus 2 square. See, we get QR equal to 2 minus 2 square plus 7 minus 2 square. So what we have done here, 2 minus 2 square plus 7 minus 2 square, 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, 0 square plus 5 square is 25, so we are getting QR is equal to 5. Now what we shall do here, smaller two sides we shall take. इसमें छोटे कौन आएगा, देखो root 16, root 41, root 25 means root 16 and root 25 यानी कि 4 and 5. So PQ square plus QR square, we shall take PQ square plus QR square, it is equal to 4 square plus 5 square, that is 16 plus 25, that is 41. PR square, what is PR square? Root 41 square, that is 41. Now see here, PQ square plus QR square also we got 41 and PR square also we got 41. So it means PQ square plus QR square is PR square. Therefore, if the sum of squares of two sides of a triangle is equal to the square on the third side, then the three sides of the triangle are right angle triangle. Then the triangle is a right angle triangle. So by converse, you have to write down the reason. By converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Exercise 5.1, take fifth sum now. See, 4 points are given P, Q, R, S. We have to show that quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. We have to show that PQRS are vertices of a parallelogram. Now here also by distance formula we shall find PQ, we shall find QR, we shall find RS, we shall find PS. See PQ how much we get? Under root 7 minus 2 square plus 3 minus 2 ka square. On solving how much we get? Root 50. QR 11 minus 7 square plus minus 1 minus 3 square. On solving how much we are getting? On simplifying how much we are getting? Root 32. In the same way, cut. See, by distance formula, PQ is equal to under root 7 minus 2 square plus 3 minus 2 square. It is equal to under root 7 minus 2 is 5 square plus 3 plus 2 minus 2 means 3 plus 2 square. It is equal to root 25 plus root 25, that is root 50. In the same way, we get QR is equal to root 32, we get RS is equal to root 50, we get PS is equal to root 32. Now see here root 50, and here also we are having root 50. It means that PQ is equal to RS is equal to root 50. See, PQ is equal to RS is equal to root 50. Here we are getting root 32, here also root 32. So QR is equal to PS is equal to root 32. We got QR is equal to PS is equal to root 32. As opposite sides of quadrilateral are congruent, quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now see, if you take this quadrilateral, suppose this is the quadrilateral PQRS. What is the value of PQ we got? We got PQ is equal to root 50. QR how much we got? Root 32. RS how much we got? Root 50. And PS how much we got? Root 32. See, in a quadrilateral, if opposite sides are congruent, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So little lengthy sum, but it is a scoring. एग्जाम में 4 मार्क ले आएगा ये सम, मार्क नहीं जाना चाहिए. 4 बार डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने का है. ऑपोजिट साइड्स अगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट आ रहे, देन द क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. सी क्वेश्चन 6. Show that the points A, B, C, D are vertices of a rhombus. Now here also we can use the property of rhombus. What is the property of rhombus? In a rhombus all the sides are equal. So here what you have to do? You have to find AB, then you have to find BC, then you have to find CD, and then you have to find AD. You will get all the 4 sides equal. So if the 4 sides of a quadrilateral are equal, then the quadrilateral is a rhombus. Do it as homework. In the same way, question number 8 you see, show that the points A, B and C are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Here also first you have to find AB, then you have to find BC, and then you have to find AC. If you get all the 3 sides equal, then A, B, C are vertices of an equilateral triangle. Question number 7, we shall do it now. X, 7, coordinates of point M 1, 15. And the distance LM is given equal to 10. Our question is to find X. Now see, in solution what we shall do here? By distance formula. By distance formula, what is LM equal to? LM is equal to under root 1 minus x का square plus 15 minus 7 square. Correct है? By distance formula what is LM? 1 minus x square plus 15 minus 7 square. It is equal to under root 1 minus x this का whole square. 15 minus 7 is how much? Plus 8 square. We got LM. Therefore, LM is equal to how much? 10 is equal to under root 1 minus x square plus 64. Now we shall do here squaring both the sides. If we square both the sides, what we get here? 100 is equal to 1 minus x the whole square plus 64. Change the side. 100 minus 64 is equal to 1 minus x whole square. This will become 1 minus 2x. Sorry, 1 minus x whole square. We shall keep it as it is. 1 minus x whole square is equal to 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64 is how much? 36 is equal to 1 minus x the whole square. Now, taking square root on both the sides. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides, what do we get? Plus or minus 6 is equal to 1 minus x. Minus x को लेफ्ट में लेकर आए तो क्या आएगा? x is equal to 1 plus or minus 6. So we get x is equal to 1 plus 6 or x is equal to 1 minus 6. So we get x is equal to 7 or x equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. See, again I am explaining. Say in this question, L is given x comma 7, M is given 1 comma 15. LM is given 10, our question is to find x. Now see, by distance formula, what is LM equal to? LM is under root 1 minus x square plus 15 minus 7 square. See, 1 minus x का square plus 15 minus 7 का square. और LM is equal to under root 1 minus x का square plus 15 minus 7 is 8 square. LM's value substitute करने का, we get 10 is equal to under root 1 minus x the whole square plus 64. Now if we square both the sides, what we get? 100 is equal to 1 minus x the whole square plus 64. Bring 64 to left side, 100 minus 64, it is 36. So we are getting 36 is equal to 1 minus x का square. Now taking square root on both the sides, 36 square root is plus or minus 6, plus 6 or minus 6. It is equal to 1 minus 6. Minus, bring it to left side, we get x is equal to 1 plus or minus 6, or x is equal to 1 plus 6, or x equal to 1 minus 6. If x is 1 plus 6, then 7, 1 minus 6 means minus 5. So here we are getting two values of x equal to 7 or x equal to minus 5. Simple sum है.